Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're going to talk about how you can unlink issue from Epic in Jira. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open a browser of your choice and search for Jira. After that, log in or sign up on the website. And once you are done logging in, you will see an interface like this. What you have to do is click on the project you are currently working on. You will be redirected to the board tab automatically. So, there will be various options available to tweak or access progress of your current projects. So then you just have to access the backlog tab by clicking on it inside the left side menu. Inside it, you will be able to see all of your issues that are registered on your respective project. You can see that the last ones of the issues are linked with Epic. If you click on them and then select the three dots menu, you can their parent issue of any of the epics available, but that doesn't unlink the issue from epics. So to unlink it, just close the menu and then click on the purple epic sign next to the issue heading, and the unlink option will be at the bottom. So that's how you can unlink issue from Epic in Jira. So all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.